Advantages. The system is simple and capable of indicating liquid level directly. That is, whatever you see here indicates what is in the tank directly. It's not a reverse or something. Number two, the system operates on low voltage, and so there is no danger of the operator and no possibility of hacking at the contact points. Low voltage, this is DC, so there is no danger of electric shock. There is no problem of hacking. You know, when we are dealing with current and we talk about hacking. What is hacking? What is hacking? Hello? What is hacking? Hacking. What is hacking? What is that? What is hacking? Hacking means sparks. Sparking. The layman will say something is sparking. When you have cables connected somewhere and then power moves in the cable, electric current passes, and something sparking, especially at a junction, when two parts are connected, that is called hacking. The technical term is what? Hacking. Hacking. Okay. There's no possible problem of hacking because it's just low voltage. And then it is liquid that is shorting the resistors. There's no problem of hacking. Then the signal can be transmitted to any desired point. Can be transmitted to any desired point. You can connect the wire to the control room or wherever where you want to use it. Also, fairly continuous record of liquid level can be had by adding more resistances. By adding more resistances, we can get very good variations in the measurement. If you have less resistances, that means you are going to have less accurate results. But when you have more resistances, then the current will easily change. As the fluid is moving up and down, the current will be changing easily. And then that gives us more fairly continuous record. Okay. You know, in this world, this life, there's nothing that has an advantage that will not have another something like disadvantage. Is that not so? Do you agree? Yes, Disadvantages. Disadvantages. The main disadvantage or drawback of the system is that any change in the conductivity of the liquid may lead to serious error. Conductivity of the liquid may lead to serious error. Since it is liquid that is linking the resistances, when we have changes in conductivity of the liquid stored, then errors may be introduced. That's one major disadvantage. The next, another drawback is that the measuring system has to be calibrated differently for different liquids. You have to calibrate this meter differently for different liquids. So when you use this particular liquid, you calibrate separately. When you change that system, you take that system to another industrial environment where they are storing another kind of liquid, you have to recalibrate. You get the point? Let me give you what we mean by calibrating. We have a system of liquid level measurements in motor car. Are you aware of that? That's a system of liquid level measurements in motor car, and that's the second method we are going to discuss. That's a gauge, a level measurement in the fuel tank of motor car that measures the level of fuel in your tank, and that is routed as electrical signal to move a meter on the dashboard, and the meter can indicate full or empty or any point in between. Now, assuming after calibrating that meter from factory, then the car is going to use petrol. So we calibrate it and we set it up and it's working fine. Then we made that same car, the same type of car, but now the engine is different. It's going to use diesel. You all know that there are other vehicles that use diesel rather than petrol PMS. So let us now say that because it's going to use diesel, that calibration we did first cannot work with diesel. We have to go and calibrate again to restore that level measurement. That's a problem. It will be giving a lot of trouble. As we want to use it now with another system that uses kerosene, where we are storing kerosene, then we have to go and recalibrate again. You get the point? That one will be the issue, and that's the disadvantage we are talking about. For this system, when you store different fluid in this tank, then the calibration will be different. It's a disadvantage. Different liquids will cause different, response on the resistors and the meter. It's a disadvantage. So it's not a universal that once we have finished it and calibrated it in the factory, take it to anywhere, any liquid, go and take it to measure them. It's not fixed. You have to recalibrate. And that means that instrument, that device that is doing this job will be taken back to the factory. They have to calibrate separately for a particular load. It's a disadvantage. That's it. Though it's a simple system, not expensive, and then no hazard of electric shock and things like that, but it also has its own disadvantage.